x absolute value of x minus 9 over x minus 9, we can see that this graph breaks apart at x equals 9. Okay, that's to do the nature of the absolute value. It is a piecewise function. And we can see that as we approach the left side of 9, it's going to a limit of 9. Okay? And it's different than as we approach the value of 9 from the right-hand side. It's going to a limit of positive 9. So it's going to negative 9 from the left side, positive 9 from the right side. And it's to do with the nature of the absolute value being piecewise. And we always have to observe the limit at the boundaries because it can be, in this case, discontinuous because of that, the piecewise nature of absolute value functions. If we take a look at sine of 1 over x, okay, we're going to have to zoom in this one here. If we take a look at sine of 1 over x, you can see that as we get closer to x, it's going to be dividing by a larger and larger number. And the closer we get to x, we can zoom in and zoom in and zoom in, but it's just going to go back and forth, bounce back and forth between 1 and negative 1. It will never focus in on any value. It just kind of keeps on bouncing back and forth, and the closer we get, it's just going to go even faster because of the nature of how the 1 over x goes to infinity quicker the closer we get to 0. If we zoom out, you can see that as as x gets large, well, then it's going to really slow down because it's putting angles into the 1 over x much slower. Okay, so that's why it kind of stretches out beyond when we go outside towards infinities, and why it goes quicker while when we go in towards 0.